What's going on, good people? Martina Britt Yelverton here. I am mobile today. So I'm sure you guys are kind of like, where in the world is she at? You're not used to seeing me live from the vehicle very much, but I am mobile today. So I'm actually sitting here in the vehicle waiting for the library to open. I got like 50 gazillion errands I need to run today, but I wanted to take a minute to stop and I guess kind of catch up on my homework because I am very behind. I'm sitting here looking now and I realize with everything that I have going on, my last homework assignment that I submitted was day 6 of 10. So let's call today 7 of 10 and see if I can get 8, 9, and 10 of 10 done as well, because I am severely behind. So please absolutely forgive me. What I wanted to talk to you guys about today is a series that I have been talking about, which deals with the W-2 that's out here. We're on the last day of January 2020. Can you guys believe that a month is already behind us in 2020? That's ridiculous. Like, we just celebrated the new year. I can't believe that was 31 days ago. Well, 30 days ago, if you include today being the 31st day. But regardless, that was like that. Okay, so if you were to look at that and think 30 days have already gone by since I last got excited and celebrated the new year, can you imagine how the rest of the year is going to go? It's going to fly as well. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about this W-2 situation, W-4 withholding certificate. Because we're into the new year, because we are 31 days into the new year, and many people still are not aware of what's going on with their tax situation. And I want to talk with you guys about that today because it's crucially important. If you have not adjusted your W-4 withholding certificate, you are already losing money. Okay, my name is Martina Britt Yelverton. I am an income strategist. I am a brand master. I am a youth lifestyle training founder. I am a GMB educator. So I just like to, when I come upon information, definitely share it with people so that they can be aware rather urgently, because we're all running behind the mill. Technology, even yesterday when I was riding out with the kids, technology is eluding us in a bad way. Even though it's good and it works for us and it's a great situation, literally, guys, technology is eluding us. We were talking yesterday about Jen said something about commercials and people being put out of work, and I was telling her that I think it is mind-blowing that a lot of these commercials that are on now literally have Muppets and animals and computer generated this, that, and the third. And she was asking me about the voice of Dora, and she was like, so when Dora grows up, who does the voice of Dora prior to? And I was saying to her that technology has advanced to a point of there's probably no actual real Dora voice at this point. There's probably a computer generated that has done so many different variations of words, of word parts, phonetic breakdowns, all of this into a computer to the point where now they just type in whatever it is that Dora's supposed to say in the entire cartoon, movie, series, or whatever, and the computer speaks in Dora's voice, all of the parts. So literally, there is probably not an actor or actress that actually does the Dora voice that kids are seeing today on the computer. It's all computer animated. Technology is putting people out of business. And so I was telling her that, and then we segued into, just technology and how people literally are probably being put out of work by technology, even though technology is a great thing and it allows me to do things like live with you guys and then post it to my page later. Technology is literally putting people out of business. And so if you think about the fact now that we are 30 days into the new year, and you guys have a piece of paper that you're supposed to submit every single onset of the year, you're supposed to, and if you look at the directions, it says, every single year, and when your financial or when your financial situation changes. So if you got a raise, your financial situation changed. But regardless of that, We're in 2020, and the W-4 is completely different. It is no longer based on withholding allowances. It's no longer based on allowances. It is now based on money. And so people need to be having a look at their W-4 withholding. And if you need to, get an expert to help you complete it, because you're losing money right now. Like I said in a previous video, I have a really great friend of mine who's been working for many, 20, 30 plus years, and he actually has married, birthed children, separated, divorced, and graduated children into and out of his life, and he never has adjusted his W-4 on his job from day one. So can you imagine the amount of money he's lost over the years? And some of us really get set in our ways. He's a 50-plus gentleman, really good business partner, really good friend of mine. And he literally will not listen to have a look at that W-4 and have someone, help you with the way that you have it completed, especially right now, being as though it's no longer based on allowances. It's now based on money. Still will not listen. So that's a little bit frustrating when you're getting on live or when you're talking to people face to face and they won't listen to how important it is to adjust this W-4 with regards to this being your largest burden. Your largest financial burden is taxes, because I don't know if many of you have looked over in the cubicle next to you, those of you who work an actual job, or even business owners who actually have a business. If your employees have looked over in the next cubicle and seen Uncle Sam sitting there working, hello? No, but Uncle Sam gets paid before you in the form of taxes, and you literally lose a third of your hard-earned money in taxes. And that's frustrating for me, knowing that it could be avoided, right? And then knowing it could be avoided, and you tell people that and they don't listen. So that's a little bit frustrating, but of course I cannot help you walk this wealth journey. So I just wanted to come on because I'm trying to complete my 10 days of homework, even though it's taken me more than 10 days. Today is day 7 of 10 for the 4, 3, 2, 1 countdown to financial freedom, letting you guys know that there is a better way. And one of the things that you have to understand about getting back to technology is, while technology is eluding many people, education is here to stay. Sound financial principles and strategies are here to stay. And those of us who have the information and are utilizing the information are willing to share that information. You guys just have to be open to listen. So that's what I wanted to come on and talk about today. Day 7 of 10. On the 4, 3, 2, 1 financial countdown to freedom, doing my homework assignment from Team No Limit and our Living the Shift boot camp that we completed over a week ago now. I just wanted to make sure that I came on, completed my homework for today, gave you guys this crucial information, and pray that you will listen. Again, my name is Martina Britt Yelverton. If you have questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Ask me how. Leave a comment. Like this video if you like it. Definitely share, subscribe to any of my channels, and select the bell to ensure that you are notified when I post new videos. They're sporadic. They're going to be consistent. Tomorrow is a new month. I'm so excited about the information that I'm beginning to release. It's a 30-30-30. Simplified branding. Yes. Get found on Google. Yes. Get paid. So it's going to be get branded, get found, get paid. So I hope to see you guys on those additional videos as they are released. Thank you so much for your time on today, and I hope to talk to you guys soon.